Alright, YouTube. Hello. I've made this stuff in preparation for the tutorial, all these buttons and whatnot, and I've created all the handlers for them, as you can see. These are 3 different labels. Of course, you're going to need those. This is marked as disabled, right here. Enabled is false. And this is our most important button to the code. Okay, so we're going to set up some variables here. Let's have a decimal called first number, second number, and sure, let's have another one called third number, or the result. There we go. Oh, and on default, we're going to have these equal 0, just so that we avoid any possible errors. That would not be too good. Okay. Next thing we need to do, gotta create a little, let's create a byte. We'll call it operand, and we'll make it equal to 0. We're gonna have in here 0 equal to plus, you see. 1 equals minus, 2 equals multiply, and 3 equals divide. We'll have it like that. Anyhow. So, let's see. Subtract, multiply, add, and shouldn't there be a divide here? Oh yeah, divide. There we go. Yeah, that'll be good. So we gotta write. Alright, so let's get rid of this one. We don't need that. So we're gonna make label operator a text equal to plus. So when we click the button, it'll do that. Of course, we gotta change these other ones now. Okay, so multiply, we're gonna change this symbol. I'm gonna subtract, it's gonna be that symbol. Divide is going to be that symbol. There we go. What next? Next, we've got to have this right here. So this will take the text box and make it equal to. Oh wait, we should use a counter variable for this. So like counter equates to 0. Okay. So counter plus. Whoops. Yeah, there we go. And we're going to basically have it so that every time we input a number in, the counter will go up, and this will determine how to handle the number. So if counter is equal to 0, do that. Else if counter is equal to 1, do that. Else if counter is greater than 1, then we want to reset the counter value. Oh wait, let's put this. Ooh, what am I doing? Take that. I'm going to put this in here. Alright. Next, we're going to want to do the handling. So, text box input dot text is going to. Whoa. Let me do that a different way. If we're going to create a try parse statement. So, if decimal dot try parse, if that is equal to false, then we'll make it so that there'll be an error where I'm typing right there. But first we gotta set this up, so text box input dot text out first number Alright, so we can copy this a little bit and put it in here too. Only this one is not going to be called first number, it's going to be called second number. Now, because we're going to have errors, because we're going to have error collecting, we're going to go public void show error. Parse. That's what we'll call it. And then we'll just have it go message box. Failed to parse. There we go. We're going to use this right here in this statement and this statement. Okay, so wait, what did I call you? Silly me. Forgot already. Oh, show error fail, or show error underscore parse. Okay. There we go. We're doing it like this to take advantage of OPP. Object. No, it's OOP, excuse me. Object-oriented programming. We're going to take advantage of that right here. Just because. Just because. Alright. Okay, this is bad form right here. You guys can't really tell what I'm doing. Let me fix this code. Make it more readable. And right here too. Okay, so next thing we want to do, all these numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright. Text box input.text. So we're going to have plus equals 1. You get what I'm doing here now? Good. This will make this calculator much, let's say, it will be more foolproof, let's say that. Let's do this. This one's going to be 0. This one's going to be 9. Alright, so I condensed that down a little bit so it would be faster to input all that. Righto, righto. So when we press compute, right here. So when counter is greater than 1, that is where we will have the math done. So, do math. Alright. Don't do meth. Do math. Get it right. Okay, so we're going to take... We're going to have an if statement, because those are fun. I love if statements. Alright. If... Oh, right. We called them... label operator.text. We're going to use label operator.text to decide how to do this. So with add, so if it's plus, we're just going to have first number plus, oh no, wait. Third number is equal to first number plus second number. There we go. If label operator.text minus, you get the picture, right? Yeah, we'll quickly type this out. Now I just noticed something right here with the division problem. There's the slight chance that we might accidentally divide by 0. So we have to make sure that one of the numbers is not 0. So we're going to have an AND statement, and so if label operator.text is equal to divide and second number is not equal to 0. Oh, whoa, I don't want to do it like that. There we go. Then we can do that. Alright, let's test this. Alright. So we put 1. Compute. Oh, it didn't show it up. Alright. Alright, so I've seemed to have fixed 90% of that little problem. So these two lines, or this line right here that I have highlighted, and this one up here, those are the things that show the numbers. And I have to do another one for these right here. Actually, no, I already did that. Silly me. Okay, start. Alright, so we put that in. Oh, whoops. That's right. We should have it clear the text box every time. Text box input.text should be cleared. That's one way to do it. There's also a clear function, but who cares about that one? Probably you guys. Okay. Alright, let's do that. And then we're going to have, let's have that. Then we're going to have these. And then we shall do math. Oh wait, there's no, we didn't put a place to display the third number. Got it. That's right. We want to show ourselves a third number. And then we're going to have message box dot show the value of the third number. Your answer. Alright. Result is equal to, and then we're going to have third number. There we go. And that should be good. Let's have a space that makes things look more pleasant. Let's go. Let's go with that. Divide by 3. There we go. There's our answer. Voila. Oh, and if we want, we can add a little... Oh, I just realized something. I've used the data type decimal, but we don't even need to use decimal if we're not going to have decimal points, but we should have a decimal point button. So we can quickly add that along with the clear button, because why not? That'd be freaking amazing. You know? So I'm going to have this button, which is called clear, and this one, which is called decimal. So let's put it button decimal. Oh, whoops. Yeah, let's put that in there. This one's going to be called clear. Oh, right, that's the text. Clear. Clear. There we go. And so let's create the event handlers for that. And for that. Alright. So we're going to have this one text box dot text is plus equal to that. And that will be very nice. And for clear, we're going to be very nice here. We're going to make a counter, which is 0. Whoops, that, okay. Then we're going to have first number equals 0, second number equals 0, third number equals 0 again. We're going to make the labels reflect them now. Alright, here we go. I just wrote all that for the clear. So now we can test it again. Okay, so let's have 1.36. We'll put that in. Then we'll have, just to be clear, you see, we still have to put in this value. Then we compute. There we go. And then we can clear it. We can compute again, but it'll fail to parse because... Oh, it'll fail to parse because there's nothing in the text boxes there. Right, I know how to fix that. That's really simple, too. But, no, that's something that isn't that important. I mean, the person hasn't inputted anything. If the person hasn't inputted anything, of course, there isn't going to be an answer. Of course, it's not going to work. Okay, let's divide by 0, just to make sure we've handled that right. 1 compute divided by 0. Let's go. Interesting. Gives us result of 0. Okay, that might not. Oh, right. Right, because we don't allow it to divide right here. You see, we don't allow it to divide by 0. So we better give a divide by 0 error so that we can, you know, if label operator.text is equal to that, and second number is equal to 0, then we're going to complain bitterly about it. Message box.show. You cannot divide by 0, and that's what it's going to be like. So now when we try that, we'll be like 1 divide by, oh, whoops, okay there, 0. Then we compute, you cannot divide by 0, and we're like, aw, and then it'll just do that, but whatever, close enough. So we got that. Enjoy yourselves, YouTube. I hope you like this tutorial. Please like it, comment, give me some suggestions on another tutorial, maybe. Yeah, whatever. Adios.